Today it is some juicy chicken burgers, some onions. Here goes in some coriander or cilantro. Little grated ginger. Little garlic powder. Some bell peppers, I love it. Some caramelized onions. I know you enjoyed watching this, but did you subscribe with a smile?